All right, so in this lesson, because we realized that Tip had belly tension in the big toe belly band, and then we have the front ankle delta band, and then we have the upper little toe band. So there's 3 bands that running through the abdomen on both sides. They're just like this. These are the same bands, these are the same bands, and these are the same bands. And of course they go to different toes, just like the other ones. But I think if this tension in the abdomen is going to release, we really need to clear the pathway so it has an outlet for it to go to. So we're going to do, in this lesson, the big toe belly band, which by its namesake suggests that it goes from the big toe through the belly. Okay, so the big toe belly band coming up through here. It's at the top of the toe actually. So the big toe sacrum band kind of came from the side and went near the Achilles tendon on the underside of the leg. This one doing a little bit of a different path. This one kind of coming from the top of the toe. Following this pathway right here. And we're going to need a little bit of oil. In some other videos I'm going to show just some other techniques as well too, some other moves that you can do in opening various areas, but today we're just focusing on the bands. Okay, so big toe belly band. Okay. And I can feel quite a lot of congestion along this pathway. Not so much in the foot, she doesn't seem to be reacting too much here. But you see that? I don't know if you noticed, but there was just a little bit of a reaction. Now this can be a little bit of a sensitive area on the inside. Sometimes it's easier to get to if the leg is open. Minding the draping, of course. In this case, we can put a pillow underneath. There we go, and that will support her leg nicely. Minding the 6-finger rule, of course. So as we come on the inside of the leg, we're bringing our fingers outwards, okay, away from the groin. Just some warm-up strokes here. Okay. Not a lot of congestion there. The congestion is really starting right there, right about here. So we're just going to give this some more reward, or some warm up and reward. And then we can start excavating. So I'm just going to use a row of fingers, full deep breath. Okay. Remember, a little bit more strength coming up. Push, push up, pull out. Push up, pull out. All right. Maybe we can move to an elbow. What's the number like here? Just a 5, okay. And now? 7. Good, and then we'll give it some reward. All right. Yes, a little bit. I still feel right here. Whew, yeah, we found the spot. Deep breath, keep breathing through it. Breathe. I did say it was a sensitive area. Okay, come out, give it some reward. All right. Woo. Yeah. And then give it a nice stretch right there. Okay, the band is going to continue upwards this way. I feel some slight congestion here.